Hi Sandra. Hi lady.
Hi girls, how have you been?
Good. Fine, thank you.
Good lady. Did you know that this weekend will be the Juliana's birthday?
Apps is better have forgotten it. I was thinking about preparing her a surprise party. What do you think?
That is a great idea. So, it's been a long time since the last party.
Yes, will the cool all the friends. Yes, and I can buy the beverage.
I could make snacks.
Don't worry, my brother told me that we could use this house. Your brother is very generous. He will be busy and his house will be free.
So, we can start planning the party.
Yes, we don't have much time. What time do we see each other?
It could be at 8 p.m.
Yes, that hour is perfect. And you drink Juliana to the party?
She will have a dinner with John. Then we'll be take her to the house of Sandra's brother.
Excellent. She will not suspect. Who will bring the cake?
I have asked a delivery and is scheduled around 7 p.m.
What about the music?
Don't worry, our friend Paul is an excellent DJ. He will help us to...
Wonderful. I think all is covered now. What do you think?
I can't wait to see her face. She will very happy.
Sure. Good, just folk.